company.
Whoa, hi there.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy to be spending our holiday season here with you in this magical kingdom. Who are they? Why, the townsfolk of this lovely land. Oh, the townsfolk. Of course. I knew that. I am Queen Elsa of Arendelle, and this is my sister, the Princess Anne. Oh, and this is my Kristoff, and this is Olaf. Wait, where's Olaf?
He was right behind us.
Have any of you seen our friend Olaf? He's a talking snowman. Olaf?
I think I hear him up there.
So high up. I feel like I'm on top of the world. Or a castle.
Oh, Olaf.
Oh, look at all the people. Oh, everyone's so cute and little.
That's because you're way up there.
It is? Oh, silly me.
Olaf, why don't you come down here and meet our new friends?
Can I? I would love that. Be right there. Oh, watch out for my butt. Incoming! I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, that doesn't work.
Oh, Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Oh, Olaf, this is everyone. Everyone, this is Olaf.
Hi, everyone. Oh, whoa. They got so much bigger. They're staring. Why are they staring? Are they real?
I think so. Of course they're real.
Phew, that's a relief. Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
You know, for a snowman, you sure do like warm things.
Yup, like summer. Oh, I've always loved the idea of summer and sun and summer fun.
It's winter.
Winter's good too.
Yes, and this kingdom is dressed so beautifully for the holidays. Oh, it really is. I love the trees wrapped in lights. And the bows and ribbons are perfect. And what's that amazing smell? Chocolate. I sure do love this kingdom. It's a perfect place to spend a winter holiday.
Perfect, except there's no snow or ice. Then it would really feel like winter.
Kristoff's right. Like holidays in Arendelle. You could go sledding, or have a snowball fight, or go ice skating. And you could build a snowman.
Who likes warm hugs?
Yes! There's nothing as magical for the holidays as a kingdom that's covered in ice and snow. You know, this castle could use some icy magic.
Yeah, I wish there was someone who could turn the castle into ice. Oh, I know! Elsa! Why don't you ask the townsfolk if they know anyone who can ice the castle?
Olaf, we already know someone who can do that.
Yeah? Who?
And she's already here.
Yeah? Who?
She made you!
Oh, don't be silly. Elsa made me.
Oh, Olaf. Elsa, wouldn't it be great if you used your frozen fractally powers to cover the castle in ice and snow? Anna, I'd love to, but I can't. This isn't our home. We're visiting, but we have to be respectful to those who live here. But it could be like a holiday wish.
And I bet they'd like it.
Uh-huh. I don't know. Wouldn't you all like to see Elsa cover the castle? See, they want you to do it.
The people want ice.
Ice and snow. Ice and snow.
Oh, Anna,
Snow.
Ice and snow. Ice and snow. Ice and snow. Ice and snow.
Okay, I'll do it. But I would like everyone's help. Will you help me?
Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Okay, everyone.